In this video, we're going to learn about the center string method in Python. When the center method is used with a string, it will return a new string. The center method is provided with the length of the new string as an argument, and the method will return a new string, which contains the old string centered within that new string. The old string will be surrounded by space characters by default, though we can change what fill character is used by supplying an optional second argument. So if we have a string with the text, we could call the center method. We could have new string is equal to string.center, and we'll supply it with the argument 6. What this will do is center the text in a string of length 6, and the padding used on each side of the string will be the space character. We could output new string here, and then we can save our program and run it, and we get this output here: space followed by text followed by another space there. So what's happened is the center method has centered this text here within a new string of length 6, and there's a space character on either side of the original string text. If we output the length of string, we'll find that it's 4 characters in length. If we output the length of new string, we'll find that it's 6 characters in length. So we could have here print old colon len string and print new colon and then len new string. And if we save our program and run it, we get here old 4 new 6. And that's because the new string really looks like this. It actually has a space character on either side of the text of the original string. Now, if instead of 6, we had supplied 10 as an argument, the new string would have a length of 10. The text of the original string would be centered within that string, and space characters would again be used as padding. So this time, the new string will have 3 space characters on either side of the text of the original string. We can save our program and try it out, and we can see that we have 3 space characters of padding on each side of the text of the original string. Now we could actually change what the fill character is. For example, if we supply this optional second argument, we could make it a dash character. So we could save our program and try it out, and we can see the dash character is now being used as the fill character. If the length of the new string that's provided as an argument is less than the length of the original string, then the center method will just give us back the original string. So for example, if we have 3 here, 3 is less than 4, which is the length of the original string. So we can save our program and try it out now, and we get back just text. And the old string and the new string both have the length 4. So this is how we can use the center string method in Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.